In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Minecraft launcher or TLauncher crash, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. And let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the link in the description and open Java. And what you want to do now is click on Java download, click on agree and start free download, and basically this will download the newest version of Java for your PC. So click on agree and start free download. And as you can see, this took about a couple of seconds. Once it's downloaded, just click on java setup.exe, click on yes, click on install, and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Now it says out of date Java versions detected. What you want to do is select the Java update that is old and just click on uninstall and wait for it to finish. And now once it's done, click on next and click on close. It says you have successfully installed Java. The second step is to close Google Chrome and open the TLauncher. Okay, and now once you open the TLauncher, what you want to do is click on the settings icon, go to the settings, click on browse where it says Java Pad, and what you want to do now is go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program files, open the Java folder. If it's not here, then it has to be in the program files x86 folder. There it is. So double click on the Java folder, open the JRE 1.8 etc. folder, open the bin folder, and now find java.exe or just Java. Okay, so there it is, java.exe. Once you find it, click on it and click on open. Now click on save, and you can now play Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. Thanks for watching again, and bye.